Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a affiliate marketing method using ClickBank products on a very, very high traffic website. And it's all for free and can be done from anywhere in the whole world. Alrighty guys, if that sounds interesting to you, you're going to want to stick around and see this video. Before we get started on it here, I do want to tell the people that are new to my channel, if this is your first time here on my videos or in seeing my channel, well, while we're talking about it, reach down there right now, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, and you can be the first to come over and take advantage of those new videos that I upload pretty regularly here on the channel for you guys, because I'm always trying to help you guys come out with ways to make money online from your home and bring more time and financial freedom into your lives as much as possible. That's my passion here on this Freedom Motivator channel. Alrighty guys, well, with that to do out of the way for the new people, let's go ahead and get right in on this. It's a pretty easy method. It's easy to do this, and it's a high, very high free traffic website, built-in traffic for you. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started. So you want to come over here. First of all, I want to come over here and we're going to go to like Google. You can go to google.com. I'm using Microsoft Bing search engine right here. And if you look right up here in the search bar, what I've typed here, I said weight loss success stories forums. Okay, and I hit enter and it brings up a bunch of these forum sites right here, and you can pick any one of these you want, because we're going to use an article. This is going to be sort of like article marketing here, or in the case of where we're going to be marketing, that's called journal marketing. Okay, but we're going to use an article to do that with. Mind you guys, this can be done with any niche. I mean, you can do this with whatever niche you want. I'm just using the weight loss niche here as an example to show you guys how to do this today. And so just use whatever niche you want. You can do the weight loss or whatever you want as well. Now, so I chose weight loss. I typed in weight loss success stories, and I come down and I found a couple of these sites right here, and I clicked on a couple of them until I found a reasonable article over here on this site, and it's called the Healthy Weight Forum right here. You see it right up here in the address bar. It's healthyweightforum.org. You see up there. It comes down and says weight loss success stories. And I can scroll down, and you've got quite a few here that you can see right here. It's not, well, not too many, but there's a few here. Anyways, I chose this article right here, and we'll click on it. And it talks here, says how I shed 20 pounds in 21 days with this drink. That's what we want to do. We're going to use this article right here. But first of all, guys, we want to come over to ClickBank too and pick our product. And if you don't have a account at ClickBank, guys, like I've told you in the past, it's free to create one. Just come clickbank.com, click create an account, sign up on their form, and check your email, because they're going to send an email confirmation. Get your account validated and verified, and come over and get logged in, and then click right up here where you see my mouse is on the marketplace, and it brings you over here to the marketplace page here. Now, you guys, you can use this, use Digistore 24. You can use any affiliate product from any affiliate network that you want to do this particular method with. All right, so you can see that over here at ClickBank, I typed in weight loss up here in the find product search engine, click search, and then I sorted it by gravity, as you see right here, and it brings up all the really good high gravity weight loss products that are here on clickbank.com. See, and you can pick just any product that you want. It just doesn't matter. Just pick something that you like. And for this particular method, I'm going to use the this CarboFix product right here, because it's got a good gravity on it of about 140, and you can make $106.50 per sale with this particular product. So if we click on the CarboFix link here, you can see the sales page. It's sort of a pretty good sales page here. It's got a lot of things to it. People can read this and come down, and if they click down, we scroll down, you can see some of the product on it. And if they click the link, which there should be a link come up down here, well, right here it is. You can see the product right here. They can buy a 1-bottle supply, a 3-bottle supply, or 6-bottle supply, and the prices, and all they do is click on this and they can purchase this product after reading this really great landing page article here. All right, so what we want to do then is now let's come back over. We want to come back over and get our article, and then I'll show you. We'll come back here in a little bit and we will get our link, our affiliate link, by clicking promote here after we take care of some of the other steps that we need to do here to get set up to market this. Okay, so we've got our product or our article here that we're going to use, and we're going to use that. Then where we're going to market this at or set this up at is this site right here, guys. You want to come over here to this site right here. It's called DeviantArt. You see it right there up here in the address bar. You see it. It's DeviantArt.com. I don't know if you can see that right there or not. DeviantArt.com. As you can see, this is a site where people come and post a lot of cool pictures on this site, as well as not only pictures but articles as well. In fact, this site has lots of different things that you can do. They got groups and print shop, different forums, lounges, a pop-up shop. They got a lot of different things on this site that people can do. Now, well, incidentally, again, why would we use this site? Well, the reason we're using this site is because if I click on my SimilarWeb application right up here, my extension, we're on DeviantArt.com, and if I scroll up and you look right here, guys, look, the monthly visits here is 117 million people, guys, come to this site every single month. That's why we're using this site to post our article on with our affiliate links. Okay, on this site, what you want to do is you want to come over and you can click right here and get signed up. If you don't have an account already, click on join right here, and then it'll bring you over here. You're going to pick a username. It'll tell you if it's taken or not. Just pick a good username, add your email address, confirm your email, choose a good strong password. You got to put your date of birth in here, and then just click join, and then they will send you an email confirmation. Get that checked out, get the account validated and verified, come back over, and then you want to come back and get logged in. And well, it's translating this page to English because some of this is not in English. But then you just want to come up here and click on login right here, guys, and that'll bring you over, and then you just log yourself in, and then it brings up, shows you all the pictures, and you can see that there are posts on this site as well, right? So if I click on posts, you can see that people are leaving all kinds of articles on this site. Now, to show you that you can post ClickBank products or any kind of affiliate product on this site, if we click the search up here, and like if I click on, well, for example, if I type in ClickBank, right, using just click, this is an example, and I press search or enter, and you can see that it brings up ClickBank products here. Some people are posting ClickBank pictures from products on this site, and also they also have journals. If you click on journals right here, you can see that many people are posting about ClickBank right here on this site, guys. Some of these are ClickBank products, some of these are just about ClickBank as well. Okay, so you can see that you can put on here any kind of affiliate product that you want. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use journals, just like you see right here. We're going to use journals. Okay, so what you want to do is come up here where you see to the right where my mouse is here, and it says submit right there. Put your mouse on submit. It drops this menu down, and then you want to come down here to where it says journal right there, and you can see over here at the left it says post a journal. That's what we're going to do, so I'm going to click on that, and then it brings us over here and it tells us to add our title here, guys. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come back to my article that I chose right here, and I'm just going to highlight this particular title right here, and then right click and copy. Now, nice thing about this is the CarboFix product that I chose on ClickBank, that is a drink type of lose weight drink product, as you saw, and it's the same thing that we're using in our article. Notice how I kept everything congruent across the board. Try to keep everything congruent in the affiliate product that you choose across the board as much as possible. Okay, you want everything to stay relevant across the board. So then we're going to come back here and we're going to add our title in right there and paste that in right there just like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come down here and we're going to put our article in right here. So we'll come back to the article, and then basically I'll just highlight everything in the article here, and I'll take that right there and bring that over here and paste that in there. And then I'll come back down here, click another one, put a couple spaces in there like that, come back until I got all of my article here. See? And we're going to come down here and post this whole thing right here. Grab all this article right to there. And then we will right click and copy that. Come back here and paste it in right there. And it really does, I like this, it does a good job of formatting the article. And just like we saw there, I suppose I could back this up and, yeah, maybe not. There we go. Get just a little bit less of a space between there. All right, then what we want to do is we can add a cover image or a cover art picture if you want. You can do that by simply clicking right here, guys, and then we can upload our own image, or they even got a gallery or right over here. Let's just try to search for see what we come up with. Weight loss. See if there's any images. No, there's no images found for that. How about if we maybe, because I don't have anything uploaded either. So, but you can upload an image. I'm not going to take the time to do that, guys, but you can do that. Upload a weight loss image from your computer, and you can get free images all over the place, guys. Pexels, Pixabay.com, any one of them two sites. And then what you want to do is just add it as a image, as a cover image on your article. So it says it's a 4-minute read so far at this point. Then what we want to do is now we're going to put our affiliate link in here on this particular article here. All right, so what we want to do is come back, click on the promote button for our product, CarboFix, right? And we're going to click on that. This opens this up. Make sure that your account nickname is in the box right here. If you want, you can use a tracking ID. I mean, you could call it DeviantArt or something like that. Let's just go ahead and put DeviantArt in there. Better make that all one word. There we go. And then click generate the hop link. I'm leaving it on the default. And that's got our hop link here with DeviantArt attached to it. So now I'll know where my clicks are coming from, right? All right, so click on that, and we're going to copy that link. Close this out. We're going to bring it back here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a couple of links on this site, and we'll make anchor links out of it. So let's just say, for example, you can drink it right here. You can drink it hot or cold, and we will make a link out of those right there since it's part of our drink product, right? And then you highlight your words right here, click on link. It'll bring that up. It's a web address, and paste our link right in there just like that. And then we'll click save, and that should set that link right in there, which it does. You see that it made a link right there out of those words. So we'll do that a couple of times through the article here. And actually, you want to do it, it's just a couple of times, 2 or 3 times. Put your link in the article. And then down here at the bottom, I'm going to create another one. And I'm going to say, click here to see my #1 weight loss drink today. Right there, just like that. And then we will post in, I'll type in click here, so I don't have to put my, you can see it down here at the bottom, guys, so I don't have to put in my ClickBank link, and they don't see that ugly ClickBank link because it's going to be hidden underneath these words right here. All right, so I'm just going to do the whole sentence, make that whole sentence an anchor link, guys. Right there, click on link, brings that up, paste in our ClickBank link right there, and click save, and then that should put that link right down there, and it does right down here. Click here to see my #1 weight loss drink today, and that will take them over. And then at that point, guys, all you want to do then is just come up here and click on submit. You see right up here, guys. Click on submit. It says it's publishing, And there it is. You can see that it's already published. And well, that was quick. Look here, guys. It's already got 1 view. You see that? That was quick. In other words, as soon as it published on the site, somebody clicked on it that quick and read it. And you can see if we scroll down here, people can read this, and they can. And if they click on this link, or they click down here on this link right here, guys, that should, and it does, bring them right over to our ClickBank product, guys. And if they purchase that product, and just to make sure, if I scroll down and click the find the product here and click on that add to cart, let's just say we'll add this one to cart here, that should bring them over to this page right here. And if I scroll down, sure enough, you can see right down here at the bottom, guys, my affiliate nickname or account nickname is right here along with my DeviantArt tracking ID, so I know where the click is coming from, guys, just like that. Well, guys, that is how you do that, and you can do this with as many ClickBank products or Digistore 24 products, or as many products as you want. In fact, probably the more articles you put up on DeviantArt here, the more articles that you put up, the better it will be, and the more chance and the more opportunity you have to make money with this particular method. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that's the method I had for you today. If you like that method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and click that notification bell so you can be the first to know when I upload these new videos like this. If you have any comments or questions, don't forget to leave them down there below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to see my free affiliate marketing video presentation, you want to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com in the top of my description there, and come over and watch my free high-ticket affiliate marketing presentation that'll show you how you can get started in high-ticket affiliate marketing starting today. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.